Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be another update on my bedroom makeover. Sorry if you feel like I might be dragging this out, but it genuinely is quite a long process and there are a few things that we haven't finished, so I can't really do the reveal yet, even though a lot of the stuff has gone in, and as you can see from my Instagram, a lot of stuff has changed already. So where we are at right now is I need to book in a day. I'm going to book a local handyman to come, because there's lots of things that we can't do, like put the shelves up, put the prints up on the wall and the mirror. What else did he need to do? Put the curtains up, and then we need to paint the radiators. We're gonna try and maybe do that this weekend. A few of those last things are dragging a bit. And we also just have, we don't know what we're doing with the headboard yet. So we've taken the headboard off our existing bed. And I had lots of people saying, why don't you recover it? But the issue wasn't just the color or the fact that it was he had those buttons on it. It was just far too tall for the room. I ordered the wrong height initially. So we do want to get a new headboard, but we're just trying to find the right one. It needs to be one of those ones that sticks on the wall, like a nice oatmeal linen color. I don't know if it's gonna happen by the time I do the reveal. I don't want to rush it. It might be something that I need to get made, and honestly I just haven't at the moment got time to kind of speak to someone to make it and go through all of that. So at the moment we just have no headboard, and I actually really like the look of it, and I would keep it that way. I'm just not sure if it's gonna be uncomfortable. I don't know, we have these big cushions behind, so I can kind of sit up and read still. I'm not sure if we're gonna leave it like that or not, but for the moment, no headboard, and I really like the look of it. We also need to screw in some of the new handles on the wardrobe. Anyway, there's lots of things still to do. So until I do the final kind of before and after reveal video, I thought I would do a little haul and show you some of the things that I've bought. There's so much stuff, so I can't possibly go through everything. I'm gonna do that in the final video, but I thought I would just show you some of my favorite things that I've bought for the bedroom. I'm gonna start with vases. We got lots of bits, decorative bits. I think most of them are gonna go on the two shelves that go above the TV. Feels like there's a lot, so I'm really intrigued to see how Rebecca's gonna style it all when she comes. First of all, these two vases. This one I wanted when I initially saw it, when it first came out, and then it sold out and I kind of forgot about it. And then Rebecca had it on her list of things for me to buy, and I was so excited to see that it was back in stock. It looks like this. I think they have actually another smaller version now as well, which is really nice. It's from H&M, and it's this really nice kind of neutral colour with the face on it. I remember seeing this in store and there was only one left and it was damaged, and I was so upset. It's such a nice, cool vase, and the black will go really nicely with the black accents from the room and the handles and stuff. So I'm gonna link everything that I'm talking about down below if it's not sold out. But that is the first vase, and I love that. And then the second one, also from H&M, is this, and this was on one of her mood boards, and I remember seeing it and thinking, oh, maybe it's a bit browny, but actually it goes so nicely, as you can see, with the colour of the bedroom, and I really like the shape of it. This is definitely more of a statement decorative piece. I'm pretty sure that's going to go on one of the shelves. It's quite heavy actually, but I love this kind of brown terracotta-y colour. I think that's one of my favourite things that we've bought. The next thing is so heavy. I'm not really sure how I'm going to pick this up to show you, but I've had so many questions about it, and it's the mirror for my new makeup desk. One of the first things Rebecca said was that I needed a big round mirror. She was like, it would just go really well because the windows are obviously very square, and then we've got the radiators and the desk and everything's very rectangular and sharp. She was like, if you have a nice round mirror, it'll really kind of soften and add a focus to that side of the room, which was a really great tip. Some of the desks we were looking at had built-in round mirrors, but I ended up going with one that didn't, and so she recommended this mirror, which is from Cox & Cox. I think they sold it in a few different places though. It's so big, it's much bigger than I expected, and I'm a little bit terrified that Gray might one day hang on to the desk and it will fall on top of her, but it's so heavy I'm hoping it won't, because it doesn't really move that much. I'm not sure, maybe I'm just being paranoid, but I absolutely love how it looks. Let me see if I can lift it. So it looks like this. Oh my god, you can literally see the whole bedroom in the reflection. There's my tripod and my camera. So the base is like that. I'm gonna do a cutaway. I think that might be a better idea, but I just wanted you to see for size how massive that is. It's wooden, which I really like. The new wood accents that we've put in the room have really softened everything. It works so well. And the mirror goes right to the edge. It's huge, and I really love it, and I think it's one of the best things that we've bought for the bedroom. So yeah, as I said, I'll do a little cutaway on that. I've been using it loads for photos on my Instagram, which is a bonus. The next thing is a real like problem solver. So we have these nice new like wooden bedside tables from Larry Doot, and as I keep saying the whole time, I want things to look good, but I want them to be practical as well. And so I said to Rebecca, like, I love the bedside tables, but I'm a bit worried that I'm gonna mark them because every night I give Gray her bottle, or me or Rich give Gray her bottle in our bed, and I always put the bottle of milk down the bedside table and it always spills somehow. And on our glass table, we always used to be left with like milk marks that we could easily wipe because it was glass. And I said I really don't want to end up with loads of like ring marks on the table, so maybe I could use a coaster. And she was like, I'm not sure if a coaster would look great, but how about this? And she found this on H&M. Oh, H&M Home. It's a massive slab of marble, and she was like, if you put one of these on both of the bedside tables, it would work really nicely. It's wipeable and it would look really nice on top of the wood. So I just think that's such a genius little problem solver there. These are still in stock now, and this is how big it is, so you can see, but just a big block of marble. You can use these anywhere, like in bathrooms. It would look really nice with some products on it. If you've got a worktop anywhere that you don't like the colour of, things like this are really good at hiding it, especially in kitchens. If you have like an old wooden worktop you don't like, you could put this on top and it would look so smart. So I just thought that was a clever one to show you. These ones I found, Rebecca asked me to look for some really large linen cushions to go on the bed, and I found these. Well, I actually had the cushions already. We used to have dark blue covers on, and I found this linen cushion cover from Zara Home. I'll try and link it up. It's so hard to see online if you're linking to the right one, but just a really, this sort of linen-y oatmeal kind of colour is just working so well in the room. I really love it. It's very neutral, and yeah, these are just massive cushions. So we have like a smaller cushion from Etsy, which I'll show you in the bedroom reveal, and then two of these big ones. I've been putting them behind our pillows, but I'm not sure yet how Rebecca wants to style them on the bed, but that's just how we've been using them. And these are so nice. Zara Home is so good for stuff like this. Behind me here is a little lamp from made.com. It's really funny because I don't know if you guys follow Alex from I Covet Thee. I absolutely love her Instagram and her YouTube. This mirror over here, which is from made.com, this only just arrived. It took ages to arrive, but it's finally here. I like fully hands down copied her. I saw that mirror and I was like, that is great. We're gonna put it up on the wall. Ordered it. It took like 8 weeks to come, and then in the meantime we ordered this lamp from made.com, which is this gorgeous green. I'll do a little cutaway. Absolutely love this lamp. Rebecca recommended it and I was like, yes, I've seen that and I absolutely love it. Let's go for it. And then before sharing this, I saw that Alex also got this lamp, which I didn't know she was gonna get it. I don't think I would have got it as well, because now I literally look like I've copied her whole room. We have the same lamp and the same mirror, but it's okay because we don't live together. But it's so funny. They obviously go really nicely together, what can I say? But I'm absolutely in love with this lamp. I love the green. I don't think before I would have thought of pairing green with pink, but it goes so well together. It really reminds me, there's quite a few like restaurants that have like green velvet and then with like pink walls. And I absolutely love how pink and green look together. So I love this lamp. I love the big bulb. It's just a really special kind of unique shape. And I think it looks like decorative, but it's also really useful. We put that on when we're feeding Gray at night and it just gives a really nice, soft, warm like feel to the room. Let me see if I can put it on. Can you see? That's what it looks like on. It's so nice. So that is the made.com lamp that I got. And then this print here, let me just grab it. I've got so many prints that I absolutely love, but this one Rebecca had on one of her mood boards. It's from a website called The Poster Club, which I've never shopped at before. Was really impressed with their delivery and their customer services, and you can also get them framed as well. They've got some really nice prints on there. So this one is a Swedish print, Hein Studio. It looks like this, and then it's got this at the bottom. I just love the colours. She recommended getting all wooden frames, which looks so nicely. I used to always get black, but I think this looks really nice. I love the colours, the red, the grey, the kind of browny colours. Everything just ties in so well with the room, and I just love how big it is. She was like, just go big. This one here is even bigger. She was like, I think a lot of people make the mistake of going too small with prints. So she was like, let's go really big, and it just works so well. I think that's what I've learned from Rebecca, like, be brave. I feel like I could keep going forever, but I'm going to show you one more thing, and because I think it's really clever. It's this sheet. I'm literally pulling it off my bed. This is from Larry Doot, and it's one of their flat linen sheets. So I don't really know what this would be used for, because it wouldn't be used for a bottom sheet, because it doesn't like, maybe some people use flat sheets that aren't elasticated. I don't know, but it's one of their flat linen sheets and it's in the colour eucalyptus. She also said I could use the kind of rusty orange one, which I might get at a later date to like switch things up every now and again. But this we've been using as a throw. I said to her, I don't want anything on the bed where it's like I have to invest loads of time in making the bed look nice. And she was like, this is perfect because you just throw it on, literally like a throw. And it's just a linen bed sheet that you can use as a throw. It's a really affordable way of getting a bed throw. I absolutely love this eucalyptus colour. Again, it looks so nice with the pink and with the kind of linen-y wood colours in the room. It makes such a difference. I absolutely love it. As you can see, mine is quite crinkly. I'm going to wait for Rebecca to come and do the styling day to tell me how exactly she wants me to dress the bed to make it look best. Am I going to have to iron this? I don't know. I do iron my sheets and my duvet cover. So if I just do this with that, hopefully it should last. Also, I like the look of like crinkly linen. I think that's the beauty of linen. It doesn't really matter if it's got loads of creases in it. So that is what we're using for our throw, and it looks great. So we just got the Super King, same size as our bed, and we just like throw it across the bottom of the bed. So I think that's everything. I mean, there's so many other things to show you. Let me know if you want me to do like another haul and show you some other bits, or if you'd rather I just wait for like the full reveal and just talk through everything in the room. I'm really glad that I've done this with my bedroom, because when I was doing it I thought, oh god, is this actually worth spending all the money on these new things? A lot of my old bits have gone to like my sisters and my friends, and they're so happy with them, so that part is great. But I am so happy that I've invested in this actually, because now I enjoy spending time in my room more. I really didn't enjoy it before. You know, I can sit in bed and read a book in the evening, which is what I'm trying to do more. I think it's important to feel cozy and relaxed in your bed. It means you'll get a better night's sleep for sure. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with it so far, and there's still more to do. We have to paint these radiators. I'm gonna try to do it this weekend. We keep saying we're gonna do it on the weekend and then we don't do it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little haul. As I said, everything will be linked down below in the description box, and I'll see you next week for a new video. Bye.